Understanding the stakes are high, a guide to English phrases. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of English phrases to uncover the meaning behind the stakes are high. Understanding this phrase will not only enhance your vocabulary but also help you grasp the nuances of English language expressions. So, let's get started and find out why this phrase is so powerful and when to use it. The stakes are high is a phrase that indicates a situation where there is a lot at risk and the outcomes can be significantly important or consequential. When we say the stakes are high, we're talking about scenarios where the potential for gain or loss is substantial. This phrase is often used in contexts where decisions or actions can lead to either great success or dramatic failure. The term stakes originally comes from gambling, where it refers to the amount of money wagered on the outcome of a game or contest. High stakes, therefore, imply that a large amount of money is at risk. Over time, this concept has been adopted into everyday language to describe any situation with significant risks and rewards, not just financial ones. To help you understand how to use the stakes are high in real-life situations, let's look at some examples. In business, we're about to launch our new product next month. The stakes are high, as its success could determine our company's future. In personal decisions, choosing a college is no small decision. The stakes are high because it will shape your career and personal development. In entertainment, the final round of the competition is tonight, where the stakes are high for all contestants aiming for the grand prize. When using the stakes are high, it's important to convey the gravity or seriousness of a situation. This phrase is particularly effective in persuasive speech, storytelling, or when discussing scenarios involving significant risk or opportunity. It can be used to emphasize the importance of an upcoming decision, event, or action. Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning of the stakes are high. This phrase is a powerful tool in the English language, perfect for highlighting the importance and potential impact of various situations. We hope this video has been informative and adds value to your English learning journey. Remember, understanding such phrases enriches your language skills and helps you communicate more effectively. See you in our next video.